Hi Z, this is Janella Salvador.
Hi Zine, this is Clea Pineda.
Hi Zine, this is Leanne Mamono. Hi Zine, this is Jasmine Curtis Smith.
Ano nga ba? Ba't wala akong maisip? I think in matured friendships. Well, matured friendships. Kasi before parang binibase ng mga tao yung friendship sa availability. Now that we're mature, sometimes we have to be more understanding with our friends na we're all grown-ups, we have our own lives, and sometimes they won't always be available for you.
Ayoko yung sobrang palaging kailangan magkausap. Gusto ko lang yung mga low maintenance friendship.
Oh, always communicate. Kunwari, may hindi pagkakaintindihan, I feel like it's always better to talk about it right away. Always celebrate life and death in each other's journey and each other's lives.
Pero kapag ka hindi mahilig sa pets, hindi mahilig sa dogs, kasi mahilig ako sa dogs and meron akong sobrang love na love ko si Kalua and si Kiara. So kung hindi sila mahilig sa dogs, bye!
For me yun din, someone who knows how to communicate their emotions, their feelings, dapat hindi avoidant. Someone who is smart, also emotionally, not just mentally. Willingness na tumira sa Australia. Dapat willing siyang tumira doon sometimes, minsan nandito, minsan nandun.
Ayoko na ng may bisyo. No bisyo, please. Let's grow up. Let's grow up!
Safe. That's a word, right? Yon.
I am at peace, content. Open endings showing again soon. Thank you, Zine. This was Chanela.
This is Leanne.
This is Clea Pineda.
This has been Jasmine Curtis Smith. Be heard, be seen.